Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming medical history and explaining the sequence to the patient. Once done, choose a properly sized stock tray with 2-3 mm clearance and check border extensions. Mix alginate to the recommended working time and load the tray smoothly to avoid air entrapment. Seat the tray with even pressure and support until set. Make sure to record vestibular depth and soft tissue mobility while removing the impression to preserve functional anatomy for the cast. Once you have a clean impression, rinse and disinfect it, then keep it slightly moist rather than drying it out. Pour a thin layer of Type Roman 2 gypsum first, vibrate gently to push material into fine details, and allow initial set before bulk pouring. After that, pour Type Roman 3 stone for strength and shape a base about 15-20 mm thick. Make sure the cast sits flat, trim excess, and smooth the base for accurate mounting and handling. You finish by trimming the cast to reveal vestibular depth and frenula while preserving soft tissue contours for record bases. Once done, label patient name, arch, and date, and allow the stone to fully cure before any further handling. Inspect the cast against the original impression to identify bubbles or defects. If small voids exist, repair with matching stone, and if major defects are present, remake the impression. A common troubleshooting tip: if large voids appear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.